Next point, there will be restoration in God's judgment. He brings restoration. Sometimes before something can be set right, you got to kind of make a mess of it. We had a few years ago, we had a kitchen remodel. And in order to do a kitchen remodel, you have to tear out every single cabinet and every single appliance and all the walls, stripped down to the studs. You have to make a big mess of things before you can make it better. And oftentimes, when you rip all that stuff off, you find stuff underneath that you didn't think was there. And the big mess becomes an even bigger mess, and it takes more time and more money and more effort. But you got to take it back to the beginning before you can then rebuild it. God's judgment brings restoration, and it always does.